Merry Christmas. Time to get to work. Usually she starts just fine. We'll see. That's the plow attachment. Sorry, that's the plow attachment. On the forklift attachment, on the reverse tractor forklift. Key. That's from an old Chris Craft. And that's choke right there. And there's my foot switch. I guess I better clean this off and sit down. Okay, starting procedure. I've already turned it on, the ignition anyway. Clutch, brakes, choke, and right down there, starting. So, a little bit of gas. Hold the choke, crank. Huh, not too bad for sitting so long. Choke. You gonna stay running? Nope. Weird, she's not like this in the summer. Crazy. A little choke. A little gas. A little bit, only a little. There. Custom wide front added to this tractor with a big old push plate to protect the hydraulics, which a friend custom put together because this tractor cannot have normal steering. I cannot put normal power steering on this because it's all reversed. Therefore, it's got a custom pump using the same hydraulics as the forks that actually came with it when I bought it. Hydraulic system. Buddy set it up for me. But yeah, we're already icing up. I always make the mistake of trying to get it moving before she's really ready to go. She needs her coffee. I'll get her going in a second. All right. I can at least lift the forks. Here's the controls. That's lift, that's tilt. I'm telling you, this thing is amazing. Go plow my parking lot and then take the plow off, and then I can use it as a forklift, which means my small parking lot turns into a 3-acre property, and I can store stuff pretty much anywhere on this 3 acres. There's a 2-track back that way, and I bring stuff back there. Oh yeah, that's a Chris Craft. That's another story. Let's go. So now you can see the plow a little bit better. You can see what's originally with the plow. And then these two square tubes, which my buddy welded up. Plow slides in only way up here because the tube turned out to be too narrow for the forks. I'm sorry, that was too thick. The forks are too thick. This is not all the way on right now, but I added this 2x4 shim because if that's not on there and you put a load on the forklift while plowing snow, this thing wedges on so tight that you cannot get it off. I had to chain this to a tree and get a little speed up in order to yank it off. So hence the 2x4 spacer. All right, let's plow some more. Miss you, baby. It's so hard to do this one-handed. Yeah, especially when you kill it. So the point of hacking together this rusty old plow, which was literally on its way to a steel recycler, into a forklift attachment was just to see if it was feasible. And in that sense, I do think it is quite successful. Although a real truck-mounted plow would probably be faster and more effective, I know that plowing is very hard on trucks, so I don't want one on mine. I also don't need to plow very much or travel to other locations. This property is all I have to take care of. So I decided that trying to turn my tractor forklift into kind of a Swiss Army knife with multiple attachment options, that might be a better idea in the long run. I also have a DIY dump bucket in process, which I could use to scoop up and transport dirt and snow. And I have other ideas, but that's for another video. Have a good one.